Fisherfolk whose livelihoods have been hit hard by the continued presence, harassment, and bullying by the Chinese Coast Guard, PLA, and Navy have received a much-needed lifeline from the government. Dubbed Kadiwa ng Bagong Bayaning Mangingisda, this latest government brainchild assures this vital human resource receives sustained assistance by assuring their catch of the day will be fairly procured plus guaranteed access to government's cheap rice program dubbed the Benteng Bigas Meron na program. Our Harley Valbuena narrates the full feature report.
Para po sa amin, maraming salamat po at malaking bagay at malaking tulong po yun sa amin, sir. Kasi medyo nakakabawas po ng panggastos at konsumo ng starting namin sa bangka.
Malaking tulong po sa amin yun kay nababawasan po yung konsumo po namin, yung starting po. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Coast Guard, sa Bicol at saka kay Presidente.
Around 120 Filipino fishermen benefited from the Kadiwa ng Bagong Bayaning Mangingisda or KBBM project, which was launched in the West Philippine Sea. According to Malacanang, the government was able to purchase 20 tons of fish from Zambales Fisherfolk. Under the KBBM project, the fish catch of Fisherfolk is bought directly by BFAR. This is in line with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to push for food security and maritime security in the West Philippine Sea.
Sa ilalim ng programang ito ng Philippine Coast Guard at Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, ipinadala ang MV Mamamalakaya na direktang mamili ng mga sariwang huli mula sa mga ngisda sa Baho de Masinloc. Matagumpay na itong nakabili ng 20 toneladang sariwang isda mula sa mga lokal na mangingisda.
Moreover, the KBBM project also aims to uphold the rights of Filipino fishermen in the country's territorial waters. Meanwhile, the palace also assured the continuous distribution of 20 pesos per kilo rice in Kadiwa centers under the Benteng Bigas Meron na program. According to Yuse Castro, the vulnerable sectors will still get first dibs in accessing the cheaper rice until the end of the year. However, the administration plans to allocate more funds to the program next year so that 20 pesos rice can be made available to all.
Sa Kadiwa centers, vulnerable sectors po ang makikinabang pansamantala hanggang December 2025. Sa LGUs po, kung ano man po ang kanilang magiging guidelines, maaari po ito maging rice for all. Pero ang plano po sa susunod na taon po ay magkaroon po ng budget para maibigay po ang 20 pesos na bigas kada kilo sa lahat.
Malacanang assured that under the term of President Marcos Jr., the KBBM project for fishermen and the sale of 20 pesos rice will continue as they both focus on food security. From PTV Manila, Harley Valbuena for Balitang Pambansa.